everyone, it's Rachel, and in this video I'll be showing you what we received in the December Sophie and Toffee Elves box, as well as showing you how to make these super cute, sweet, magical themed cookies using the materials we got. Monthly subscription boxes, then I'll leave more information down in the description box below. So in this box we received a unicorn cookie cutter, puffy pink resin and white and black resin, 6 containers of holographic stars, unicorn horn crystals and heart crystals, holographic film and gold chain and findings, large glitter, polymer clay, and finally some unicorn glitter. Start off by making the base of the cookies, and I'm taking the Sophie and Toffee polymer clay and rolling this down onto my work surface using my acrylic roller. I'm then taking the unicorn cookie cutter and pressing it into the clay before peeling away the excess. If you do have any more excess around the edges, you can go ahead and cut it away using a blade. To make the stars, I used a regular star cookie cutter and pressed it into the clay. To make the rainbow, I firstly drew an outline on a piece of paper using a pencil, and then to make the transfer, I placed the drawing onto the clay and then rolled it down with my roller. When you peel away the paper, you should see the outline and then you can simply cut it out. To add some texture, I used this bristle tool and then just gently patted the clay, and then I baked all these pieces in my oven for 30 minutes. After baking, I firstly took the white UV resin and spread it all over the unicorn's body. You'll then want to cure this with a UV light or under the sun, and this could take maybe like 2 to 10 minutes depending on what sort of light you use or how strong the UV rays are from the sun on a particular day. Next, for the main, I mixed the puffy pink resin with my regular UV resin to help thin it out a little bit because it is quite thick, and then I added this onto the cookie. I used black UV resin and applied it straight from the bottle, and then you'll want to try and cure this immediately after so that it doesn't run and spread out. For the cheek, I also added a blob of the pink resin, and then finally for the horn, I took one of the crystals and then stuck it down onto the cookie using some of the resin. I then went ahead and iced the rainbow and the stars with the resin, also curing the different layers as I go. And this is what they ended up turning out like. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to check out the description box for more information on the Sophie and Toffee Elves boxes. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!